In a professional context, perhaps you handle personal data from clients or employees. Be sure that access to applications is secure and be discreet if you work in a public place or at home. Let's now examine how to guarantee the security of client data.
Our customers depend on each of us to keep their data secure. What exactly is personal data? Personal data means private life. It is information about a person's identity, their name, address, telephone number, email address, bank details, and so on. We handle all of this data, and our customers entrust it to us. In text messaging and big data usage, personal data is at the core of staying connected. Nadia and Maxime are Orange customers. They have entrusted their personal data to us. In return, we undertake to do everything we can to protect this information by applying strict security rules. For businesses, customers' personal data has commercial value and provide a competitive advantage. At Orange, we work to set up the strongest technical barriers to protect our information system. Yet there is no such thing as zero risk, and we are not completely safe from hackers who try to get into our networks and collect personal customer data. It is a growing problem and is almost becoming a business in itself. Operators are prime targets because they have large customer databases. The smallest breach can become an access point for cybercriminals. As employees, we are the links in the security chain. We are all responsible for protecting our customers' personal data, whatever our role at Orange. Here are some simple rules to apply to our workplace. Lock your computer to prevent it being freely accessible to others. Never tell anyone your password, because this would mean you risk giving the access key to your computer. Remember to connect your laptop to its padlock. It's the safest way to stop it going missing. Be vigilant when using a USB stick, because they can infect your computer with viruses or spread data. When working with third parties, such as subcontractors, for example, you must secure communications and practices involving customer data. As with electronic content, let's not forget that paper data can also contain valuable information. Today, the private and the professional spheres merge closer together than before. This can pose risks for data security. The availability of our personal information via social networks makes cybercrime easier. By using these same networks in our professional lives, there is an increased risk that our data will be gathered by cybercriminals. We still need to take care outside of our workplace. For example, when you take your computer, mobile, or tablet outside the office, you are not immune to having it stolen or even losing it. If something this unfortunate happens, then sensitive company data will have been released out into the world. When you take your computer, mobile, or tablet to a public place, such as a cafe, restaurant, train station, on the train or bus, you need to make sure that you do not show it to just anyone. You need to check your connection too, because unsecured Wi-Fi networks are never far off. The loyalty of our customers like Nadia and Maxime and the development of our business are based on trust. Developing good habits ensures that our customers' data is protected.